Join me as I challenge myself to create the tastiest cucumber smoothie for a pureed diet. Can I make it delicious? Today, I want to share with you a refreshing and nutritious smoothie recipe that's perfect for those on pureed diets. The star of the show is the humble cucumber, an ingredient that's not only hydrating but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to blend into a silky smooth treat that's both delicious and healthy. One of the biggest challenges of being on a pureed diet is the limited meal options. It can get repetitive and boring, and it's hard to find foods that are both nutritious and easy to consume. Another struggle is having to rely on others to prepare meals, which can be frustrating and affect one's independence. Furthermore, it's tough to find recipes that cater specifically to pureed diets, making mealtime a constant struggle. And lastly, having to deal with the stigma surrounding pureed foods can be emotionally draining, making it feel like a loss of autonomy and freedom. When it comes to finding healthy and nutritious foods that fit into a pureed diet, every little bit counts. That's why I'm excited to share this cucumber smoothie recipe with you. To make it, you'll need a few simple ingredients: a large cucumber, a banana, some Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of spinach, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. The cucumber provides a refreshing crunch and a burst of hydration, while the banana adds natural sweetness and creamy texture. The Greek yogurt boosts the protein content, and the spinach packs a punch of nutrients, including iron and vitamins. Finally, the lime juice adds a squeeze of freshness and a touch of zest. To prepare the smoothie, start by peeling and chopping the cucumber into chunks. Add the chopped cucumber, banana, Greek yogurt, spinach, and lime juice to a blender, and blend on high speed until smooth and creamy. You can add a bit of water or ice if you prefer a thicker or thinner consistency. Blend until you reach your desired texture and then pour into a glass or cup. Here's the final result: a beautiful, vibrant green smoothie that's both refreshing and nutritious. The texture is silky smooth, and the flavor is subtle yet satisfying. Take a sip and experience the refreshing crunch of the cucumber, the sweetness of the banana, and the tanginess of the lime juice. This cucumber smoothie is a game changer for those on pureed diets. It's a delicious and nutritious treat that's easy to consume and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. I hope you enjoy making and savoring this recipe as much as I do. If you're looking for more healthy recipes and dietary tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have a favorite smoothie recipe you'd like to share, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you.